Welcome to Island Smile YouTube channel. For today's recipe, we will be making the Sri Lankan hot butter cuttlefish. Rich with garlic and buttery flavors, the savory and spicy, crispy fried hot butter cuttlefish only needs a splash of lime juice to give you a wonderful platter that will satisfy your seafood cravings. Here are the ingredients you will need. A bundle of spring onions, a cup of corn flour. I would recommend keeping another cup in hand to use if necessary. 2 cups of oil. You can use vegetable or coconut oil. Half a cup of butter. Egg white of 1 egg. 1.5 tablespoons of chili paste. You can use more for extra spiciness. You can also try my chili paste recipe, which is also on the channel. 1.5 tablespoons of minced garlic. This is about 3 to 4 garlic pods minced. 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Salt to season. And 500 grams of cuttlefish. You can also use store-bought frozen cuttlefish. Before you begin, here are a few steps of prep work involved. First, chop the spring onions. Then clean and cut the cuttlefish to rings or required size. If you need a complete guide on how to clean cuttlefish, check out the video on the channel as well. Now, let's prepare the corn flour to coat the cuttlefish. To the corn flour, add salt, pepper, turmeric, and mix well. To the prepared cuttlefish, add salt, egg white, and mix. Now that you have the elements ready to do the coating, wear a disposable glove, coat them in small batches. Next, we move on to deep frying the cuttlefish. Place a medium-sized frying pan over low-medium heat and pour in the oil. Bring the oil to a frying temperature. Once the oil reaches the correct temperature, add the cuttlefish. Deep fry in small batches for at least 5 to 8 minutes or until they turn golden in color. Once the cuttlefish are fried, place them on kitchen paper towels to drain any excess oil. Let's move on to the last steps of making hot butter cuttlefish. Place another frying pan over low-medium heat and add the butter. Let the butter melt for a few seconds. Add the minced garlic and cook until they release the aroma. Add the chili paste and cook over low-medium heat for a few seconds. Add sugar. Add the chopped green onions and cook just until they are wilted for a few seconds. Now, simply add the fried cuttlefish into the pan, mix until combined, taste and season with salt if needed. And this is your Sri Lankan hot butter cuttlefish recipe. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you do love the recipe, please leave a review on the comment section below.